If you want to make and post your own GIFs on X, formerly Twitter, this video will show you the quickest way to do it on desktop and on mobile. This is a super easy workflow, and once you know it, you can turn short clips into eye-catching posts that get more attention in your feed. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Now, let's jump into it. First, you need to understand one important thing. X doesn't usually let you upload a GIF file the same way you upload a regular image. So the best method is to first convert your GIF into a compatible format if needed, then upload it as media. If your file is already ready to go, you can move straight to the posting part. On desktop, go to xcom in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the post composer at the top of the screen. This is where you'll create a new post. Click into the text box to start a new post, and if you want, add your caption first. You can write a short message, a reaction, a meme caption, or anything you want to go along with the GIF. Next, look for the media icon, which usually appears as a photo or video button under the post box. Click that icon, then browse your computer and select the GIF file you want to upload. If your file has already been converted properly, it should attach just like any other media file. Give it a second to upload, and once the preview appears, check that it looks correct. You can also add text above the media if you want your post to feel more polished or engaging. After everything looks good, simply click Post. Your GIF will now be published to X, and other people will be able to see and interact with it. If you're using the mobile app, the process is almost the same. Open the X app on your phone and tap the Compose button to start a new post. Then tap the media icon to attach your file. Choose your converted GIF from your phone's gallery or files, wait for it to upload, and then tap Post to share it. If the file doesn't upload correctly, double check that it's in the right format and that the file is not corrupted. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because that can affect upload quality and speed. A good tip is to keep your GIF short, clear, and optimized for fast viewing, since shorter looping clips usually perform better on social media. You can also try different captions to make the post more clickable and fun. And if you're creating a lot of GIF-style content, it helps to save your favorite clips in a dedicated folder, so you can post them faster later. So that's how to make your own GIFs on x.com, attach them as media, and publish them in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.